In a world where cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated, the need for skilled cybersecurity professionals has never been more urgent. Every organization, no matter the size, faces the challenge of protecting sensitive data and critical infrastructure from ever-evolving threats. Over the last few years, the demand for cybersecurity experts has skyrocketed, with over 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally. Organizations are looking for individuals who not only understand security concepts, but can also put those concepts into action. Enter CompTIA Security Plus. Ascend Education Security Plus course isn't just for IT professionals. It's also an essential resource for educators shaping the next generation of cybersecurity experts. This comprehensive course prepares students for the CompTIA Security Plus exam, covering everything from securing networks to responding to security incidents. Whether you're a student launching your cybersecurity journey or an instructor searching for high-quality materials, Security Plus offers the tools needed to build a strong foundation in IT security. Our approach goes beyond theory, focusing on practical experience that prepares students for real-world scenarios. Through interactive virtual labs, learners gain hands-on experience simulating security incidents like data breaches and access control issues. Instructors can seamlessly integrate these labs into their lessons, allowing students to apply concepts in a controlled, real-world environment. With Ascend Education, students and educators alike gain access to cutting-edge cybersecurity training tools. Some of the key areas you'll cover include threat management. Learn to identify and mitigate common threats like malware, phishing, and social engineering attacks. Risk assessment and mitigation. Understand how to assess security risks and implement strategies to reduce them. Network security. Dive into network architecture and learn how to secure both physical and cloud-based infrastructures. Encryption. Master encryption techniques to protect data in transit and at rest, ensuring confidentiality and integrity. Identity and access management. Learn the fundamentals of controlling who has access to systems and how to prevent unauthorized access. Every lesson in the course is designed with the CompTIA Security Plus exam objectives in mind. You'll gain a deep understanding of the 6 domains tested in the exam: threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities, technologies and tools, architecture and design, identity and access management, risk management, cryptography and public key infrastructure, PKI. Our self-paced courses ensure you have the flexibility to learn at your own speed, with access to expert instructors when you need guidance. You'll also benefit from practice exams that mirror the real Security Plus exam, ensuring you're fully prepared to pass the certification the first time. Why choose CompTIA Security Plus? This certification is not just a stepping stone, it's a career accelerator. Once certified, you'll be qualified for roles like cybersecurity analyst, systems administrator, junior penetration tester, and many more. Additionally, CompTIA Security Plus is a DoD-approved baseline certification, making it a must-have for anyone pursuing a cybersecurity role with government or defense contractors. CompTIA Security Plus isn't just a certification, it's a launchpad for cybersecurity careers and a valuable resource for instructors leading future professionals. Students gain the skills needed for roles like cybersecurity analyst or systems administrator, while instructors have access to customizable materials, assessments, and tracking tools. Enroll in Ascend Education Security Plus course today, and prepare for success, whether you're guiding students toward certification or earning it yourself.